Tired of copying order addresses into shipping sites one by one? Here's how to generate labels directly in Hostinger with Shippo. So, you've got an online store, orders are coming in, but every time you need to ship something, you find yourself manually copying and pasting customer details into a separate website. It's tedious, it's slow, and honestly, it's a total time suck. Let's fix that right now. We'll install the Shippo app, connect it to your store, and set up label creation in just a few clicks. I'm going to walk you through this exactly how I did it on my own Hostinger site, step by step. Alright, start from your Hostinger dashboard. This is the main control panel for your website. You want to navigate to your website builder. Once you're inside the builder, this is where the magic happens. Now look to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option that says More. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a list of additional features and settings for your site. From that menu, find and click on Apps. This is the section where you can add extra functionality to your store, like shipping tools. Scroll through the available apps until you see one that says Generate Shipping Labels for your orders. The app is called Shippo. Click on that. You'll be taken to a welcome screen. Just click the Get Started button. This will begin the integration process. Now, this is where we actually connect Shippo to your online store. On the next screen, you'll see a button that says Add Shippo to your online store. Click it. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to access your order data. This is so Shippo can see the customer names and addresses for the orders you need to ship. It needs this information to create the labels. Click on View Order Data to grant that permission. Another permission request will pop up. This one is for creating labels and updating tracking information. You definitely want this enabled. It's what lets you actually print a label right from within your Hostinger dashboard and automatically send the tracking number to your customer. So click on Create Labels and Update Tracking Information. And here's the really important part. There will be a final screen asking you to agree to Shippo's terms of service. The button will say by clicking Add Shippo, you agree to Shippo's terms. Click that button to finish the setup. And that's it. You are done. From now on, whenever you have an order, you can generate a shipping label and update the tracking information directly from your Hostinger store without ever leaving the dashboard. No more manual copying and pasting. No more jumping between tabs. Just one click and you're on your way. If this helped, give the video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one.